Alright, I made it to perfect day. Alright, looks like we have a wave pool up here to the right. We'll go this way and check out the old snack shack. Doesn't appear to be open yet. Get a closer look at that wave pool. I don't think I've mentioned, but perfect day at CocoCay is Royal Caribbean's private island. So this is where their cruise ships tend to come when they come to the Bahamas. Plenty of lifeguards on duty today, so that's always good to see. Being I suspect there will be a lot of kids here today. Fun little obstacle course. Pretty nice. Got a bar over here in case you want something to drink while you're waiting on your kids to do the obstacle course. As you can see, they had 3 lifeguards just for the obstacle course. Over there, a couple more lifeguards. The Daredevil's Tower, that is that big water slide there. It's massive. We'll get a closer look at that in a minute. Looks like we might be heading to a kids area. Alright, so the thrill park doesn't appear to be that large. Looks like it's primarily everybody comes for this tower here. It's at least 5 or 6 water slides just in that one tower. Guess I'll make my way over there to see if I can get a little closer. You can also see they have the zip line here right above me to my left. There's one of the towers for it over there. So if you're into zip lining, you definitely might want to check that out. Oh, they got people I think that's already been sliding. Somebody now. Look like they're having a good time, as well as they should be. Probably should have did a little homework on this first to see exactly how tall that is. I'll put that on the screen for you, but I definitely know that Daredevil's Peak, that's the highest one. Walk a little more, see what else. So it looks like the slides that are over here are geared more towards tubes. So I'll definitely have to check that out later today. All those appear to be tubes. The yellow one looks like it could be pretty fun. Looks like you would come in through here, you probably come up on there. When you come around, then you're going to come up into this big area here and then come down. So I was hoping to get a glimpse of somebody doing it. Maybe sometime today I better catch somebody, but I'd like to see how far up that tube goes on that ride. Oh, time to keep walking. Also, when I first came in, to the right-hand side, they had the men's and women's showers and also the locker rentals. Also, when you come in to your left, they have a towel station. So I'm going to show you that. It's going to be on your right coming from this direction because we're headed towards the exit. But this is the area I was just talking about with the lockers and men's and women's showers and the towels. So that's the entrance where I'm facing now. Over there would be the towels. Here's your lockers. Then you have your women's shower. And then around the corner there, that'll be your men's shower. Here's your men's. And then you also have the first aid. Not sure what's this way, but let's go look. Oh, looks like the cabanas. Cabanas are nice. They come at a price though. I don't remember off the top of my head. Maybe I could find that information too, but I was thinking it was around $700 for the day, but don't quote me on that. Looks like you get a couch, a chair, that might be a cooler, get a little table, and 2 lounge chairs. All right, that completes the walking tour.
Hey, what they all been waiting for, man? What they all been waiting for, man? What they all been waiting for, yeah. This is the moment.